Have you ever wondered how we go from a single, tiny cell to a fully formed baby? It's one of the most incredible stories in all of nature, and it all starts with a moment we can't even see. Let's dive into the stunning journey of early human development. It all begins with fertilization. When a sperm cell meets an egg cell, they fuse to create a single cell called a zygote. This one cell contains the complete genetic blueprint for a unique human being. All your traits, from the color of your eyes to how tall you might grow, are already set. It's smaller than a grain of sand, but it holds the potential for an entire person. Almost immediately, this single cell starts to divide. It splits into 2, then 4, then 8, and so on, doubling in number roughly every 12 to 24 hours. This rapidly dividing ball of cells is called a manula, as it continues its journey through the fallopian tube toward the uterus. It keeps growing. Around day 5, something magical happens. The ball of cells develops a fluid-filled cavity and becomes a blastocyst. This isn't just a random cluster of cells anymore. It's starting to organize. There's an outer layer that will eventually form the placenta, which nourishes the baby, and an inner cell mass that will become the embryo itself. These are the very first stem cells, capable of developing into any type of cell in the body. About a week after fertilization, the blastocyst arrives in the uterus and begins the crucial process of implantation. It nestles into the uterine lining, establishing a connection with the mother that will sustain it for the next 9 months. This is a critical step. Without successful implantation, the pregnancy can't continue. Once implanted, the inner cell mass undergoes another amazing transformation called gastrulation. It organizes itself into 3 distinct layers: the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Think of these as the primary building blocks for the entire body. The ectoderm will form the skin, nervous system, eyes, and hair. The mesoderm will develop into the skeleton, muscles, heart, and blood vessels. And the endoderm will create the lining of the digestive and respiratory systems, as well as organs like the liver and pancreas. From these 3 simple layers, every single organ and structure begins to form. The neural tube, which becomes the brain and spinal cord, starts developing just a few weeks in. Soon after, a tiny heart begins to beat, pumping blood through a developing circulatory system. It's truly a marvel of biological engineering. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo is now called a fetus. All the major organs are in place, and it even has tiny fingers and toes. It's only about an inch long, but it already looks distinctly human. From this point on, the main job is growth and maturation, preparing for life outside the womb. So, from that one single cell, an intricate and complex process unfolds, guided by a precise genetic code. It's a story of division, migration, and differentiation, all happening perfectly on schedule. The journey from a zygote to a newborn baby is a breathtaking testament to the beauty and complexity of life. Thanks for watching this incredible journey with me. If you found this as fascinating as I do, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of science. See you next time.